All right, welcome back to my channel, everybody. Chris Gault here, Healthy Living with Chris Gault. You are on day 14 of this 5-day program. You're doing fantastic. Keep up the good work. Keep hitting play. You're just going to do fantastic. Let's get to it. All right, day 14 is a rest day, so you can either rest, you can either do an upper body routine with resistance, or you can do a stretch routine or a yoga routine. Anything that doesn't really include really taxing the legs, you want to save them. So with all that said, let's hand you over to Coach Robin.
All right, guys. Well, congratulations on yesterday's second bump up run. You all did fantastic, and I'm really, really proud of you for sticking with it and getting the work done. And we have a nice group, and we have a group chat going on. And if you want to join our group chat, just let me know. Happy to add you, but I'm really, really, really proud of you guys. So today is a rest day. As you know, it's Sunday, and it's the end of our second week. So hooray on that. Good job there. You got through 2 weeks. And you know the drill for the rest day. You can rest, or you can, do some kind of easy stretch routine or, upper body workout. But you guys know that, so good on you. I was going to take a minute, since I have some time today, just to talk about running safety, okay? So this is kind of an odd time, but I would always tell you, try to run with someone if you can. It's always best to run with someone, but I know it's not always possible, especially now or anytime schedules don't mesh. People that you want to run with aren't in your neighborhood. Whatever reason, there's lots of reasons that we run alone. Some of us just like the alone time, and that's great too. You can get some great thinking done. But so if you're going to run alone, I just want to tell you, be aware of your surroundings, all right? Always be alert, always be on the lookout. Just be aware, okay? Run aware. Headphones, I don't suggest you run with them because that doesn't allow you to be as aware as possible. But if you have to, then just run with one in and one out. There are also headphones that are made for runners that allow you to hear surrounding noise while still hearing what you're listening to. There are some that just go around your head and use bone conduction. There are wireless ones. Whatever it is, just make sure whatever you do that you are aware of your surroundings. So again, run with someone if you can, and if you can't, just be alert and enjoy your rest day. And I will see you tomorrow for the beginning of our third week. We are doing a bump up there, and I'll tell you more about it. I will put our weekly schedule in the comments below. Have a good one, guys.
All right, once again, I just want to say you guys are doing fantastic. You just finished day 14. It is a 10-week program, so you're talking about 70 days. You guys are well into it, so just keep it up. You'll get to that 5K, and we're gonna love seeing you run that 5K. So we'll see you tomorrow. Have a good one, everybody. If you like this video, please click on the thumbs up button, and also please subscribe and click on the notification button to get all this great content that's coming up every week. Thank you.